Do you really like slim Swiss Army knives that aren't a massive lump in your pocket, such as the Compact, but loathe the fact that it doesn't have a decent Phillips screwdriver on it because of this combo tool? If that's the case, stay tuned to the rest of this video, because these custom 3D printed scales aim to solve that fatal flaw with the Compact, with the inclusion of this handy little gadget in these ingenious scales. Combo tool, great idea in theory, not that great in practice. Certainly one of its limitations being that to turn Phillips screwdrivers using the angled tip of the combo tool is an absolute shite-mare. Now, I think that Phillips screws still seem to hold the world together, so if I'm carrying a multi-tool of some kind in my pocket, it better, by goodness, have the ability to turn Phillips screws in a more satisfactory way than this can. And that's where these scales from ULDesignShop come in. I'll put a link to the product page for this in the description below. He's a really great guy coming up with some amazing stuff. And these are his 91mm Quattro Plus Scales. So they're plus scales. You still get slots for the toothpick, the pressurized pen, and the tweezers, and the pin in there. And all those tools are moved to one side, and on the other side you get this super duper slim scale. This scale has to be thicker to hold the ballpoint pen. You get this little cutout which holds the Victorinox Quattro screwdriver there. So you get two slotted screwdrivers and ×2 sort of 2D Phillips screwdrivers. And while I wouldn't want to build a house just using these, they certainly work. And for EDC, for little tightening up jobs on the go, this is absolutely fine. And it solves the problem as discussed with the combo tool. These scales have a little notch inside there which matches up perfectly with the hole in the Quattro screwdriver, so when you pop that in, it's secure and won't just fall out accidentally, just come out when you need it. A rogue Phillips screw, I gotcha! I don't know about for you, but for me, this innovation turns the Compact from a nearly to a yes, I will carry you for EDC kind of tool. Absolutely ingenious. And they're only £9 plus £2 shipping from ULDesignShop on Etsy. He's got a load of different colours and he's a really sound guy to work with. Check him out, give him some support, I say. Absolutely fabulous.